Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Things are really starting to get moving here in Topeka, Indiana. We're seeing a lot of new orders come in and the weather's starting to clear up, so we're all happy about that. I thought I'd jump into this home because it's at such a great price. Currently, you can get this home for $46,000. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, front-loaded home, meaning we've got a living room coming into the front door. It's interesting, if you check out the thumbprint or the picture of this video though, I'm going to put the back door up because to me the back door, they made the back look like the front, so I think you could do it either way. I've built this home many times. I've put a slider here, a slider there. I mean, you could just do so many different things with the exterior doors. That's the easiest part. But when you walk right in, so you've got the living area. This home is perfect for a lake or a small lot. We've got a little seating area here. And I've talked about this before. You could fit 1, 2, 3, maybe even squeeze 4 bar stools underneath there. Coming into the kitchen, I love this urban look. This is our accent wall. It's a brick accent wall. We do have another one called Dogwood Harvest. We've seen that before. This is more of an urban look to me. What's great about it is it's a nice neutral color. It's got some grays in there, some browns. And of course white, and then they paired it with these white cabinets. They did a staggered cabinet up there, up down, kept with the standard hood, did upgrade to a gas stove, standard refrigerator, 18 cubic foot, over, under, old school style. And what's neat about this home is that bar area just serves a double purpose. 1 for seating, and 2, it hides all the stuff back here. So here you go. We are Champion Homes. We do a really good job at building these homes, and we've got lots of different design options. This customer, it looks like, wanted to keep everything bright white. I love it. So we've got quartz frost on the countertop. It's kind of hard to see, but there's some marbly stuff going on here. And we've even got Nordic white on the floor. Furnace hanging out in the kitchen. This home, I checked earlier, they kept it a 100 amp service. And here's that back door I was talking about. New for this year, we've got peepholes. Before, it was just kind of, you didn't know what was going on. But now you can peek out the peephole to see who's at your front door. So coming into the back door, but could be the front door, the laundry area. Main water shutoff, also water shutoffs throughout. That's a standard feature. We have a lot of great standard features that really we feel like just need to be in every home to make the home last longer and to be more comfortable and convenient for you. So here is that 1 bath. Remember, this is a 1-bedroom, 1 bath. We call this home the Littleton. They continued with that brick pattern through the bathroom and also into the master bedroom all along that wall. Single vanity, commode, AKA toilet. That one's got an elongated toilet, so meaning it sticks out farther than it normally would. Tub shower combination, that's a 60-inch 1-piece fiberglass shroud. Coming into the master bedroom. This is the cutest house, especially for $46,000, guys. You could even enlarge that. That's a 30 by 61 now, but you could enlarge it. And hiding down here, you can't see it. Can you see it? Uh-oh, electrical outlet. Oh, I like to have fun when I'm in these homes. This is inline sectional heating. Let's talk about that. When we build these homes, we put our ductwork right down the middle of the frame, guys. So you can opt as an option to have us run extensions. So here's the ductwork going down the frame. That's where the registers are. You can opt, though, for us to add flex hose out to the side so that you would have your registers, bam, bam, up against the wall. Better to heat and cool with. Also, you don't get stuck with the register underneath your bed or under a dresser, whatever you got going on. Here's the closet. Okay, this is it. Not a lot to show, but what a great price. $46,000. We do financing, guys, 10% down. And come on, come see me. Let me build you a home. Again, this is the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching.